Right, now we're going to expand 4 minus x over 4 to the power of 6 in what's known as ascending powers of x. So the powers of 4 are going to descend, and the powers of x over minus x over 4 are going to ascend. Right, the first step is to write out Pascal's triangle. We're going to need at least up to 6, so we need this line here, 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. Remember, you get each term by doing 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. For example, this 20 comes from doing 10 plus 10, which is 20. Right, so we're using that row. So we're going to expand 4 minus x over 4 to the power of 6. So it's 1x, 1 times the first number, which is 4 to the power of 6. We don't have minus x over 4 to the power of 0 because that's just 1, so we don't bother with it. Then we take the next number, which is 6, times 4 to the power of 5, times minus x over 4 to the power of 1. Next term is going to be plus 15. 4 to the power of 4, notice the power is descending, times minus x over 4 squared. Next one will be plus 20. And the next term will be 4 cubed and minus 4x over 4 cubed. Notice the good use of brackets here. Plus 15 times 4 to the squared times minus 4x over 4 to the power of 4. So these numbers are decreasing, these powers are increasing. Next one is going to be plus 6 times 4 minus x over 4 to the power of 5, and the last term will be plus x minus x over 4 to the power of 6. So the 4 powers are decreasing, and the minus x over 4 will be ascending. Therefore, we're going to have ascending powers of x. Right, now with our calculator, we just need to be very careful to work these out. 4 to the 6 is 4096, and we now need to do 6 times 4 to the 5 divided by minus 4, which gives me minus 1536x. Then we've got to do 15 times 4 to the power of 4 divided by minus 4 squared. That gives me 240x squared. Now we've got to do 20 times 4 cubed divided by minus 4 cubed. Gives me minus 20x cubed. Now we've got to do 15 times 4 squared, which is 16 divided by 4 to the 4, which gives me 15 over 16x to the 4. And therefore, next one we're going to do 6 times 4 times minus 4 to the power of 5. That's going to give me minus 3 over 128x to the 5. If you use a calculator, we've got a fraction button on it. A little bit easier this, and then we've got minus x to the 6 over 4, which is going to be plus x to the 6 over 4096. So therefore we're expanding something quite difficult there, just using Pascal's triangle. And knowing that the first number, the powers start at 6 and descend, and the second part here, the numbers ascend, get larger, the powers get larger. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to expand using Pascal's triangle. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.